Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the early days, the tung oil tree was an important crop for Hakka people and is a strong representation of Hakka perseverance. Every year between spring and summer, the mountains look like they've been dusted with snow because of the white tung blossoms. While visiting New Taipei City in northern Taiwan, you can drop by Tucheng and visit the popular Tung Blossom Park and the historic Wugu Xiandi Temple. Hakka culture is deeply rooted in the area, and the temple is dedicated to several gods worshipped by the Hakka people, like the Emperor Shennong and the three mountain kings, Guanyin Buddha and Matsu.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And during this month of April, we're taking you to different places around Taiwan, north, east, center, south, every corner, to visit the tung flower blossom. 现在是桐花季的时候啦。
对啊。
叶谢，对不对？
叶谢。
叶谢 which actually means the snow of May, because that's how it feels like. 那今天呢，我们就留在我熟悉的北部好了。是不是这附近有什么地方可以看桐花呢？
没问题。
赏桐花。
那先带大家来去那个新北市。
新北市一听知道就是我们现在新庄这边的新北市啊。
对，新北市。然后新北市比较靠山的地方就会有桐花。我们现在去的地方呢，就是土上溪。
土上溪，被去到位。
就是土城区啊。
土城溪是区啊。
对。
Okay, Tucheng District. Wow, I didn't know that there's tung flower blossoms around this area in Tucheng District. 到底要去土城区的哪一个地方呢？
土城区有一个赏桐花非常好的地点，就叫做桐花公园。
不会吧？就叫桐花公园。
是的。
Wow, okay. I mean, the name of the park itself suggests that this is a place for a lot of great tung flower blossom because it's called the Tung Flower Park. 桐花公园。
桐花公园。
桐花公园。好，那除了这个公园之外，附近还有什么地方跟客家文化有关可以去
就我知道附近有一个叫做五谷先帝庙，大家去桐花公园看一看那个桐花之后呢，也可以到这个五谷先帝庙来走一走。
So that's another destination you can visit when you're in Tucheng, to go to this temple, the 五谷先帝庙, because it has a lot of Hakka culture too. Okay, let's review some of these terms. The tung flower 就是五月雪。
叶谢。
叶谢。And the place to go is the Tung Flower Park in Tucheng, 土城桐花公园。
土上桐花公园。
There you go, so nearby. I gotta go visit. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say张伟了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.